Animal reproduction. Modes of reproduction. 2 modes: asexual reproduction, fission budding, regeneration, parthenogenesis. Modes of reproduction: sexual reproduction, hermaphroditism, fertilization, internal and external, hermaphroditism, sequential hermaphroditism. Reproductive systems. Simplest animals do not have gonads, produce gametes. Polychaetes. Gametes develop from undifferentiated cells lining the coelom. More complex animals have gonads and a system of ducts and glands. Reproductive systems. Non-mammalian vertebrates possess a cloaca. Mammals have separate openings for each system. Spermatogenesis. Sperm structure. Head. Acrosome. Midpiece. Tail. Oogenesis. Production of an ovum. Occurs in the ovaries. Regulation of male reproductive system. Regulation of female reproductive system. Pattern of hormones. Secretion is cyclic. Menstrual cycle. Endometrium is shed if no implantation occurs. Menstruation. Estrous cycle. Endometrium is reabsorbed. Menstrual cycle. Average length is 28 days. Refers to changes in uterus. 1. Menstrual flow phase. Menstrual bleeding. 2. Proliferative phase. Endometrium regenerates. Secretory phase, about 2 weeks long. Glands in endometrium secrete glycogen. Ovarian cycle 1. Follicular phase 2. Luteal phase. Several follicles begin to grow. Ends in ovulation. 2. Luteal phase. Follicle cells remaining after ovulation develop into corpus luteum. Hormonal control. Follicular phase. FSH and LH secreted in response to GnRH. Follicle cells have only FSH receptors. Follicle cells secrete estrogens. Slow rise in estrogen levels, keeping FSH and LH levels steady. Hormonal control. Positive feedback. Sharp increase in estrogens cause sharp increase in FSH and LH, increases GnRH release. LH receptors develop on follicle cells. High LH causes final follicle maturation. Ovulation occurs about 1 day after LH surge. Hormonal control. Luteal phase. LH stimulates follicle cells to form corpus luteum. Corpus luteum releases progesterone and estrogens. Negative feedback. Production of progesterone and estrogen inhibits release of LH and FSH. Hormonal control. Ovarian cycle and menstrual cycle are synchronized. Corpus luteum disintegrates in 8 to 10 days, releasing negative feedback. FSH production resumes and the cycle continues over again. Ovarian cycle and menstrual cycle are synchronized. Hormonal control. Follicular phase and proliferative phase are linked. Estrogens cause endometrium to thicken. Uterus is prepared for implantation before ovulation. Luteal phase and secretory phase are linked. Estrogens and progesterone maintain endometrial lining. Hormonal control. Rapid drop in ovarian hormones after corpus luteum disintegrates causes arteries in endometrium to spasm, depriving endometrium of blood. Menstruation results. Menopause. Cessation of ovulation and menstruation. Ovaries lose responsiveness to FSH and LH.